Every time I see Stanley, it's incredibly rewarding. He needed an aortic valve replacement.
They didn't think I was going to make it through it because in the middle of the surgery, my heart started bleeding.
You know, we put stitch after stitch after stitch, and it kept bleeding and bleeding and bleeding.
He went inside my chest with his hands and he held my heart.
But I had to hold pressure directly on his heart for, well over an hour. And it was sort of like a Hail Mary.
And I understand it was touch and go.
If it didn't stop with direct pressure, that would have been it. But it stopped.
My family and I are both very grateful to St. Luke's and the doctors here.
St. Luke's is sort of like a small town, and I think when people come here, they're sort of treated a little bit more like family. We can have that sort of small town, family-like feel with a lot of the resources of the Cleveland Clinic.